a sacred view, enough for my restless soul, just to rest with you. Can you feel the peace tonight, here beneath the stars? It's enough for hearts that wandered to have come this far. Can you feel the peace tonight? Let the silence breathe. It's enough to let both kings and dreamers find a place to believe. There's a space for all who choose to learn, as the shifting stars in silence turn. There's harmony beyond the noise, where the rhythm of your heart aligns with my voice. Can you feel the peace tonight, here beneath the stars? It's enough for hearts that wandered to have come this far. Can you feel the peace tonight? Let the silence breathe. It's enough to let both kings and dreamers find a place to believe. It's enough to let both kings and dreamers find a place to believe.
No matter how deep the river, no matter how high the hill, I'll walk through wind and thunder, I'll find my way back still. As long as you still trust me, as long as you still believe, I'll cross the world to hold you. You're everything I need.
No matter how far the ocean, no matter how cold the night, I'll follow the sound of your heart and walk into the light.
As long as you still trust me, as long as you still believe, as long as you still trust me, there's nowhere I won't be. Even if the stars go silent, even if the roads grow long, if you keep my name inside you, I'll be where I belong. as long as you still trust me, as long as you still believe, as long as you still trust me, you're everything I need. As long as you still trust me, I'll always find my feet.
As long as you still trust me,
I'll come back to you.
you walked away, the light turned soft. I stayed behind where time got lost. Didn't cry, didn't say a word, but your name was all I heard. That's the day I missed you most, when your shadow left the post. Every breeze, it felt like you, like the sky had lost its blue. The tea got cold, the sun sat still. I smiled but didn't feel the thrill. Didn't chase, didn't call you back, but my heart stayed on that track. That's the day I missed you most, when your shadow left the post. Every breeze, it felt like you, like the sky had lost its blue. That's the day I missed you.
You laughed with him, your eyes looked down. I forced a smile, said I'm still around. And I could ask if you still care, and I could say it's not all fair, and I could tell you what I see, and I could beg you to choose me. He touched your arm, you let it stay. I turned my head, just looked away. And I could ask if this feels right, and I could call you every night, and I could write it in a song, and I could hold you all night long. You walked ahead, forgot my name. I stayed behind and took the blame. And I could scream it through the rain, and I could tell you all my pain, and I could break and fall apart, and I could hand you all my heart, but I just smile, I let it be. Pretend that none of it hits me. You'll never know what I don't say. I wish I could, but walk away.
You smile at her just a little too long. You laugh that way like I'm not even wrong. It's nothing big, no need to confess, but my heart beats fast, I must confess. I'm a little bit jealous, just a little bit. Not enough to cry, but I feel it hit. I'm a little bit jealous, just a little bit. Keep it quiet, I don't throw a fit. You say her name like a melody sweet. It's probably nothing, but still it repeats. I trust you, love you, it's all so true. But there's a shadow when she's near you. I'm a little bit jealous, just a little bit. Not enough to fall, but enough to sit with the thought of her. Just a little bit, I shake it off, but I still admit, maybe it's silly, maybe it's small, but I'm only human after all. I won't accuse, won't make a scene, just wanna be your only queen. I'm a little bit jealous, just a little bit. Not enough to break, just a tiny split. I'm a little bit jealous, just a little bit. But love like ours can handle it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Summer is passing, you're drifting away. Soft light of morning has nothing to say. Where is the sunshine that danced on your hair? Now all that lingers is silence and air. Summer is fading, love does the same. Warm dreams of childhood lost in the rain. Where does the bus take hearts that were true? Now I just sit with the memory of you. Why don't you speak? Why didn't I try? Let summer burn in that late evening sky. Why don't the sunbeams fall in my chest? Why must the silence echo the rest? Footsteps are slowing in yesterday's shade. The street where we left begins to fade. Holding a dream that never could stay, as clouds take the color out of the day. Why don't you speak? Why didn't we say, let summer stay, don't let it drift away? Why must the nights be colder than rain? Why must I walk through the summer with pain? I watched you leave in the light so dim, the world kept turning without a hymn. You were the song I never could play. Now all that's left is a sky gone gray. Why don't you speak? Why don't I cry? Let summer live, not just pass us by. How can I stop the rain on my skin when all I do is walk through where you've been? I walk alone through the summer rain.
I look up where the starlight sings and whisper dreams on silver wings. Then suddenly you're standing near, soft as dusk and crystal clear.
The night grows deep, the world turns cold, but still your warmth is all I hold. I don't expect, I just believe that love like this will never leave.
Come with the breeze, just follow the light. Let morning rest on your shoulders so right. Even if it takes a while, I'll wait here with a quiet smile. Oh, why won't you come with all your love? So brave, so slight. I send my hopes with winds that roam to touch your steps and lead you home. Like morning sun upon your skin, I long to let the light begin. Come with the breeze, just follow the light. Let morning rest on your shoulders so right. Even if it takes a while, I'll wait here with a quiet smile. Oh, why won't you come with all your love? So brave, so slight.
If you could hear this heart tonight, you know it beats with glow and light. For you alone I stay, I sing and hold the stars in everything.
Come with the breeze, just follow the light. Let morning rest on your shoulders so right. Even if it takes a while, I'll wait here with a quiet smile. Oh, maybe you'll know this love was meant to make
different light, like shadows dancing out of sight. You were quiet, lost in thought, wondering why life hurt a lot. But pain like clouds can drift away and leave behind a warmer day. We'll laugh one day, you'll see it too, at all the things we once went through. Not because they didn't sting, but because we grew from everything. Time moves slow but brings us grace, letting love reclaim its place. And suddenly the sky looks wide, you stand again with softer eyes. We'll laugh one day, not out of spite, but when the heart begins to light, we'll look back with gentler eyes and find the beauty in goodbye. It takes some time, it takes some space, but sadness finds a resting place. We carry light from where we've been and learn to let the joy come in. We'll laugh one day, I promise you, and feel the sun come shining through. Not because we weren't in pain, but because we danced in rain.
Walked in and I knew right then what love could be, how it begins. You showed me how to care, how to try, how to fix my shirt and meet your eyes. You taught me charm, quiet kind, a smile that draws in every mind. And when my gaze got lost in you, even sound fell into something new. Your laugh, it trickled like a stream, washing over my quiet dream. And every night I'd let it play, your whispered voice would lead the way. I'd stay on the line, just hearing you, telling stories in midnight hues. Let the hours slip away unseen, hooked on every word you weave. They say a fool would rush in flames, but I dove in when you spoke my name. Your lips, the fire I touched again, and burned in joy didn't frown. Even knowing it could break, I gave each sense for heaven's sake. Sight, sound, touch, breathing voice, all of them chose you. Without a choice. Every sense belongs to you.
You stepped into my quiet life, a spark that set the stars alight. Though you've moved on to distant skies, your light still lives behind my eyes. Your light stays and never dim, in every song, in every wind. I carry you in what I do, and keep the best of me for you. No empty space, no heavy heart, just softer steps when we're apart. I laugh, I breathe, I grow, I see, and still you're part of all I'll be. Your light stayed and never dimmed, in every song, in every wind. I carry you in what I do, and keep the best of me for you. Maybe time is drawing line, but love walks paths outside the signs. And when the day comes back around, I'll be right here, safe and sound. Your light stayed, it warms my way. I live with joy through every day. You're not gone, you're just ahead, and I hold hope in all you said. Still shining through. Your light stayed.
put on the suit you once said looked best, sprayed that scent you used to love on my chest, styled my hair the way you praised with a smile, and walked real slow down that aisle. You look so radiant, like the tears never came. That smile you wore once lit my name. I stood in the crowd, my heart beating low, while memories of us began to overflow. Thank you for the invite, for letting me see this final goodbye between you and me. I'm sorry I can't wish you well with grace, not when I still see forever in your face. Slowly down the aisle I walk, but I'm not the one in vows and talk. Slowly I watch you take his hand, while I try so hard to understand. Maybe I'm still just not a man, or maybe fate had a harsher plan. Slowly stepping back from the dream I once had. Do you remember that autumn breeze? You said marry me someday, please. Now I watch him slide the ring with ease, while I smile, trying not to freeze. You didn't look back, and maybe that's fair. I stood between hope and thin air. I don't blame you, won't ask you to stay, just grieving a love that slipped away. Slowly down the aisle I fade, no spotlight, no vows, just hearts that fray. Slowly I watch you disappear, taking every maybe someday year. Maybe I was never strong enough, or maybe life just called my bluff. Slowly I vanish in a moment too tough. Thank you, my love, for everything we knew. I'm sorry I can't bless him with you.
I sit alone beneath the dark. The silence wraps around my heart. I wish I knew just what to do. These quiet hours are filled with you, a feeling I can't turn away. It grows a little more each day, the kind of love I've never known. Now all I want is to call you home. And all those talks that stretch so wide, your voice, your laugh, the way you'd hide, your eyes, they pulled me in so deep. You're in the thoughts I never sleep. And do you know how much I'm feeling? And no excuses, no more shielding. I try to act like I'm okay, but I still miss you every day. wanna hold you when it's cold. Whisper love you, just so you know. The way you'd glance, it made me freeze, like time had paused, just you and me. No words, but still I understood. You made the quiet feel so good. Now all I dream is being near, to tell the truths you need to hear, to kiss the fear from off your lips, and show you love in fingertips. Late nights spent in sweet delay, you never really walked away. You're still the voice inside my mind, the one I search for every time. And do you know how much I'm feeling? And no excuses, no more shielding. I try to act like I'm okay, but I still miss you every day. I wanna hold you when it's cold. Whisper love you, just so you know. I wanna hold you when it's cold. Whisper